Hi, this is Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. And I know that today is the first day of summer, yay for that. However, in some parts of the country, it can also be time for some severe weather. So here in Colorado, where I am, today seems to be the day for tornado warnings and hail the size of golf balls and things along those lines. I bring this up because so often we may be in a situation where, because of weather or flooding, important paperwork could be lost, damaged, or destroyed. Where I grew up in Queens, New York, whenever we had really heavy rains, the sewers would kind of get backed up, and then the water had no place else to go. So, guess what? It ended up in our homes. And I remember a few occasions where the water would start to rise in our basement. And at one point, it came up to almost that next level of the house. So it would have been our what we called our rec room, and my dad would have to get a pump to pump the water out. And it was just one of those things. Whenever the clouds got a little gray or green, we knew that we needed to be prepared. And so, of course, we never kept important documents in the basement. Now, there were other things that got destroyed, but not the important paperwork. But what happens if, whether it's because of flood or fire or hurricane, tornado, that things are destroyed? Well, keep in mind that some documents can easily be retrieved through either a county clerk's office, such as your marriage certificate. You would get that, or a copy of it from the place where you got married. If it's a birth certificate, then of course you would go to your Department of Vital Statistics to get another copy of the birth certificate. If it is your will, well, here's the thing. In many states, a court will allow for a copy of the will if it can be determined that the original will was not revoked, in some manner. So there are some steps to that. But ideally, you want to make sure that the original will can be found. If it does get lost, damaged, or destroyed, then of course what you would want to do is have a new one created as soon as possible. So I always encourage people, of course, to not only have a physical copy of their important documents, but also have a digital copy so that when you do need a replacement, at least you have some information already in place. For more information about some other documents like Social Security cards, vehicle title, please go to my website, coloradofamilylegacy.com. Look under the section called resources, and there you'll find an article talking about this exact topic. I hope this has been helpful. Until the next time, you take care, and we'll talk again soon. Again, Michelle Adams with the Law Office of Michelle Adams. Take care.